how to log in Bybit account or simply sign in. So let's get started. First thing first, open your preferred web browser and type bybit.com in the search address bar and hit enter. After that, simply tap on the Bybit official website. And once you're inside the Bybit, all you have to do is, on the top right corner of the home page, click on the login button. After you click on it, enter your email address or phone numbers associated with your account and type in your password. You may also be prompted to solve a Captcha for security verification. If you have set up 2FA, you will need to enter the code generated by your authenticator app. After entering all required information, all you have to do is click on the login button to access your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.